Good morning to Madam Betty and my fellow friends. Today, I will present my presentation, which is AI608, the future of air transportation industry, with the titles of aircraft development. So before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Chan Shian and I'm holding my crate number BAM2202530 with the box ID 2211718. So this is the motivations of why I'm choosing this aircraft development, because aircraft, as everyone knows, that aircraft is a very important transportation for everyone as a worldwide. So everyone will use the aircraft to travel around and visit their families all around the world. So another one is this aircraft can make the future in a better way, which is in the future there will a lot of new generations of aircraft will coming out, and all those aircraft will be friendly to the environment, so it can save the Earth. Why I was saying this is because the aircraft will use not going to use the air jet fuel anymore. They will using the hydrogen fuel cell. So this is my introduction. As I mentioned just now, there are a lot of transportation in the world. So have a land, sea, and air. Okay, so today I will touch about the air. So air in the air transportation. So in air transportation, they are divided to two categories, which is HEA and LTA. HEA is heavy than air, and the LTA is lighter than air. So in the HEA category, we'll divided to wings and rocket. So wings is which is the fixed wings, such as like jets, and also our passengers, commercials aircraft, and also LTA will become a balance and airship. So airship is the one that can be controlled. So the balloon is they will using the fires and the air to make the balloon to move. Next. So this is the current trend of aircraft. So basically, aircraft designations. Now the aircraft was wings and the fuselage separate. So and also it will use 2 to 4 engines to make the aircraft to move. So another one is the aircraft capacity. So the aircraft capacity, the minimum seat of the aircraft is 100 passengers, and the maximum is 853 passengers. This aircraft can fit for 853 passengers is Airbus 380. So, and another one is aircraft fuel. So in the current trend, aircraft fuel will use Jet A1s to as their aircraft fuel, and also the aircraft fuel will calling as the aviation kerosene, and the aircraft company for aircraft jet company supply for Malaysia's the Shell's company. So this is the first part of future trend. So future trend, soon the aircraft will be looking like these three image of the aircraft. So the first one is turbofans, which these turbofans is using two hybrid hydrogen turbofans engines to provide the thrust. So in the future, they will still left the pilots. They will using the no pilots as their as aircraft. So another one is turboprop. So this is using the two hybrid hydrogens turboprop engines and drive eight-bladed propellers to become the engine to make the engines start and off. So and the last one is blended wings body, which is PWB. This model they will combine the wings and the fuselage, which become singles unit, and the wings will become delta wings, which is the V-shaped wing. So next, this one is the capacity of aircraft. So in the future, this is how the cabin of the aircraft will look like. So each of the passengers will sit down here and here. So they become a two class of passengers cabin. It will be here is the economy and here is the business. So another thing is the aircraft will be double decker. So it's like the one seat it will having two seater. So and also it can carry more than 100 passengers per flight than before. Means the rather traditions aircraft. So this is the future trends part 3, which is the aircraft fuel. So in the future, they will not using the aircraft fuel as I just now mentioned about it. So they will using the hydrogen powers and also zero carbon fuel. So what is the hydrogen fuel cell? It is combining hydrogen and air in catalysts. So and then generate electronic drive to an electronic motor with the water vapors as one product to make the aircraft to move. So the challenge that the manufacturers are facing right now. So for the first is size limitation, which is the aircraft. The manufacturer they cannot conduct a big size of the product for at the moment now. So the quality consistency is everyone know that it's we're using the densest metal. So the densest metal cannot be like same if they cutting all those things and they combine. Like some will be like less than maybe 0.1 gram or more than 0.1 gram. So they cannot. So this is why they cannot control the quality or consistency. So another one is scalability limitations, which they cannot stock too much of stock for the manufacturers. So and the next is narrow range of materials with high cost, which is they're using a small material but it's causing a very high cost. And the last is limited material capacity, which is some of the material is very limited, so they cannot fight for it. So this is the benefits in aviation. So for in the future in aviation, so the first is it can improve airline image because the passengers will increase and the airline image will be increased also. And this will be saving costs because as I just now mentioned, they won't use the fuel anymore because fuel is very expensive, and they will be using the hydrogens, which is and also the electric to make the aircraft to fly. And the last is profit in the aviation will be increased because of passengers increase, because they can carry more than 100 passengers than before. So this is how aircraft development will shape aviation future. So it will help the aircraft to increase the performance. And also airlines flight routines frequency will be increased. Another one is controlling from the ground, which is they won't need the pilots anymore. They will be using the control from the ground to control the aircraft on the air. So this is the recommendations for the aircraft, and the first is commercials, which they should prepare every TV in the back seat playing the flight routine. So which is they can making the safe, and also it's provide free Wi-Fi on the flight. So which is they can if anything emergency happen, they can using the WhatsApp or anyone to call their families to inform anything. So and also provide emergency contact at each of the seat, which they can contact someone that is related to the airline. So the next is operation. So it is preparing some workers to fly as a passengers on the flight to ensure that the aircraft was safe, because soon the aircraft will be no pilots and all. So it can this can avoid some incidents to happen inside the aircraft. So remove maintenance and repair means they have to always frequent to doing the maintenance and provide the good training to their pilots and also the cabin crew. So the recommendations for finance is invest in more quality technology, which is like using a more high-tech of technology system to control the aircraft. Another one is can provide quality trainers to for their pilot and cabin crew. So how graduations level employability can begin in the aviation industry. So for the first is internship. As everyone know, everyone know that after we finish our degree and our diploma also, so we going to the internship, we can earn some knowledge. Another one is education and training, like we going into study in aviation industry, so we can gain some knowledge. Another one is attend in industry event, which is like just a few days ago, they're using the attending in the Langkawi's event, which is about aviations. So, in my conclusion is aircraft is a very important transportation for everyone, and in the futures, the generations will getting even more better experience than us. So, and also the aircraft can save us. That's from me. Thank you.